two-time winner of the motherfucking Crank It Up contest. Two-time winner, and I'm gonna be a third one next year. 2022, bitches.
All right.
Stop that shit, and I'm gonna do a tribute, because I love my Migos. I love my Migos. I'm sorry for damn Takeoff, but I gotta do this. Gotta do this for my boy Migos.
Young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.